I am very happy to announce today my name is Swami Radhananji, and for last 40 years I have been meditating on all the holy scriptures, and now I feel that I could provide you with the benefit of all the loving messages that God has provided us. So we have designed Gitanand.org, in which I can provide you with philosophy of life, spirituality, because we are all spirit, and unless we know that we are love and part and parcel of God, we will never have enjoyed love. So we need to understand who we are through spirituality, and in order to know that, we should also understand the scriptures, whether they are Hindu scriptures like Bhagavad Gita, or Christian scriptures like the Bible, or Dhammapada or Buddhism, or Quran of Islam. We will cover the universal truth that is presented by all these scriptures, and we are not trying to narrow to any particular religion or region. My concern is also to help the young adults who are still budding. Their whole life is ahead of them, and today we are missing out the true discipline, direction and training to these young people who can have better life as they are growing up during their earlier years. And just like a plant is properly nurtured and protected against the dogs and the rabbits, similarly young people should be protected from the evil propensity of the sansar, because they are ignorant and not knowing. It is our duty as parents and as their loving well-wisher that we should see their life properly evolving while they are young. This is done very well through Sanatana Dharma, or eternal religion, which Hinduism has provided, but it is for all the world, because there is one God. We are all children of one God, and therefore we should try to unite ourselves for truth and love, which is not related to any particular region, history or events. It is universal. And we want to also send you daily saintly blessings, so that we can read that, and in few seconds you will be having some benefits throughout the day. When you have read that, that will help you also. I am also trying to provide messages of Mahatma Gandhi, which all of you are familiar, and he has interpreted the truth in a very simple way through his own practical experience in life, and not just philosophy in the books. So we are already providing you that. Then there are current issues which are international, such as recently in India, Hindus and Muslims issues about the temple in Ayodhya. These are the issues that we need to resolve, and how God would want us to manage and understand and collaborate and harmonize these issues, so that we will be providing all these kind of solutions that Gita or Bible is providing us, and not a personal opinion. That is very important. So we will be touching current issues worldwide, and also any other future needs that you might have input to me. We will be adding pages as we all need. And another thing is that I would want to present Mirabai, who is my spiritual mother and who has really given me love since I was 5 years old. She is truly all love, and so her message of love, which is like Mary to Jesus Christ mother, similarly to me, Mira is a universal mother, and mother means love. And so I will be presenting to you who she was and how she was in love with God throughout her life, from childhood to the end. And we will be really enjoying her messages of love also. So these are the few points that I would wish to present to you, and as we move on, we will be expanding it. I appreciate your listening and paying attention to this message. Thank you.